clicking here on this file, on this folder. Let's click on file. Let's click on open. Click on what? No, let's import on data. So I'm clicking on Excel. That is the file we have. How can I say that is a file we have? It's on live sessions. I've selected SPSS. That's day one. We selected MS Excel, but I think it's in the CSV format that we have. Yeah, that's the CSV format we have. I'm selecting this file. I'm coming in and I'm clicking open. The encoding is of UTF-8 types only. You can change the encoding, but I think we generally stick to the default settings. So I click on nuclear weapons proliferation. I click open. It's generating the preview. You see here, and there's a text import wizard. Does your text file match a predefined format? Yes or no? No. So I will leave it for SPSS to do all the necessary formatting. That is part of its process. Let's click on next. What is the decimal symbol? It's period. Okay. Variable names are included at the top of your file. Yes, they are included. That is something that we'll see. And how are your variables arranged? They are delimited. There is no fix to it. Let's click next. So what this software does is it identifies how your file format overall is, and based on this, it will in its import wizard, it will take care of all your data management needs in terms of formatting and everything. So you don't have to do that headache. Advanced software, yes, very useful. Click on next again. See which delimiter appears between the files. It's comma because it's a CSV file format. What is the text qualifier? No, we are not. We are not having any of them. Click on next. The entity and also we'll leave it as is. Successfully define the format of your text file. Yes, we have. Would you like to save this file format for future use? Yes, we can save it actually. So let's click on save as. Where do you want to save it? On live sessions, SPSS, A1. Oh, this is what it's a text results predefined format. So let's not save it. You'd like to save the same as what? .sav format. So this is done. Now I'm clicking on finish. So that is what we have here. That is the output that it generates. So we'll retain this output. Let's have this window open. You can see here there are two windows. One is that of the output and one is that of the main window. That is all the data editor. Now this is the variable view that we were discussing earlier. And as we discussed this, you can see that these are the different variables that are available over here. How can I say that confidently? Well, if you don't trust me on that, then I'm going to open the file folder for you here. On day one, proliferation, and yeah, you can see that. So these are the different variables that are available over there that we are able to see here. Entity year, number of nuclear weapons, consideration, pursuit, and possession. And the types they have identified in the import wizard that we saw. Entities string type, the rest of them are numeric types. The bit is provided in decimals, none of them are in decimals. Values, labels are not there, missing. Columns are provided. They're all left or right aligned. The measure and role is also provided. Okay, they've given the role. It's an input role, which means we are inputting that particular file. So their role is about input. So analysis will be performed on them. So that is your variable view. I click on data view. So so that's what we have here. Double click on this. Header will be expanded. Now that looks a bit likable. Now we have this in what format? We have it in the MS Excel. We imported as a not Excel actually, imported as a CSV format.